Let's talk about taking back control, real control over our health and what we put in our bodies.
Right now, over 4 million Malaysians are battling stress and insomnia. That's a massive problem.
And here's why. We're stuck. Our medicinal herbs are imported, and honestly, we don't know what's in them. At the same time, our buildings just consume all this wasted urban space producing absolutely nothing.
Well, our solution is kheAI. We turn those dead spaces into living, verifiable biofactories.
How? Through a triple tech stack: clean aquaponics, smart AI, and a protocol for absolute trust.
And that's the real game changer. Undeniable proof of purity. We call it biological truth.
So, how can you be sure? Simple. Every single bottle gets its own unique QR code.
You scan it, and bam, you see everything. The batch data, lab results, even the grower's signature.
The impact here is huge. We can replace risky imports and start regenerating our cities from within.